What do you... Oh, okay. Do you like trains?
Yeah.
What's your train name?
Thomas.
Thomas? What are the other... What's your family's train names? Look at me. Tell me.
Bustin. Jane.
Who's Percy? All right. And... Huh?
And who's James?
Who's James?
That James, the train.
That James right there. Daddy James is James. Look at me. And then who is Mommy?
Emily.
Emily. Now, what do trains do? Tell me about them.
Puff and Puff.
They puff and huff? What else do they do?
I don't know.
Do they shunt trucks and haul freight?
Do you have a whistle?
Yes.
Let me hear your whistle. Oh, man. Are you a steamy or a diesel?
Steamy. Thomas is a steamy.
Thomas is a steamy.
Diesel is a diesel.
A diesel is a diesel. Oh, okay.
Does Percy have a whistle yet?
Yes.
Or is he too little to whistle yet?
He has a whistle, but he can't blow it.
He can't blow it yet?
But he has a whistle.
There's Percy.
He has to get bigger to blow it?
This Emily.
And Mommy's Emily. Does Mommy have a whistle? You want to hear my whistle?
Yes. I have a big loud one.
You have a big loud one? Let me hear yours again. Again. Oh my goodness.
You wanna
You
show Mommy how you drive on the tracks. Show Mommy how you shunt around and chuff around.
Oh, I like it. Why do you like trains so much?
Because I love them.
You love them? What other things do you love?
I don't.
You don't know? I think Thomas might be a diesel train.
I think Thomas might not.
You think Thomas might not? Well, how do you know he's a steamy?
I'll show you how he's a steamy.
Okay, show me how he's a steamy. All right.
He's non-diesel.
Hi, Percy.
He's non-diesel.
Huh?
He's non-diesel.
Oh,
Does he have a funnel for steam to come out?
okay.
Big round whistle. Whoa.
And does
Percy,
he have a coal
do you
bin?
have anything to say?
Listen to my whistle.
If he
What?
has a coal bin and a funnel, he must be a steamy.
What'd you say?
Listen to my whistle.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
This is so loud.
That whistle is so loud.
Thomas, do you need to get a drink of your icy to make more steam?
Oh, does Thomas drink icy? Do you have an icy up there?
You don't want to run out of steam. What does it look like when you run out of steam?
Oh,
Show us how you look when you run out of steam. No?
well, thank you for all this information about trains. Do you have anything else you'd like to say in your train video?
No.
No? Okay, say bye-bye, people.
Bye, people.